What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be putting on a carbon fiber lip kit on this here Supra. Came straight from China, so hopefully it's going to fit alright. The customer said he read reviews on it. He said all the reviews were good, they all fit well. And then the day it came in, he actually met someone who had a Supra with this lip kit, and they weren't happy. They were saying it fit like crap. So hopefully this won't be too much work to get it on and actually look decent. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. This kit comes with a little house you can live in. Alright guys, so I just finished up unboxing. Everything actually looks pretty well made. So here's front lip. All the edges look very smooth and nice everywhere. Mirror caps, rear side pieces. Side skirts look good. The only thing that doesn't look great is this rear piece here. As you can see, there's already a little chip. I don't know if you can see it actually, but it's right there. Yep. So there's a little chip there already. The bottom looks, these holes look like they were just made with a freaking bulldozer. The back doesn't look too great. And then like all of these edges look kind of rough. So I think if anything does give me trouble, it's going to be this piece here. Hopefully. It almost looks like it wasn't made by the same people that made the rest of the kit. But let's go ahead and jump into the install. I'm going to start with the front and probably make my way towards the back. Before I go trying to stick this lip on here, I'm going to take everything off that could get scratched in case it doesn't fit right, and then make sure it does fit right, and after that I'll take the tape off and we'll put the lip on. Alright, so that test fit went pretty well. I think that one should actually fit pretty easily. So, I guess I'm going to take this tape off, apply the 3M tape in the necessary spots. Then I'm going to stick the lip on, and there's a bunch of screws that go up through the bottom of the bumper. So actually, before I go ahead and throw it on the car, I'm going to drill out the holes where the screws are going to go through while it's off the car. That way it's going to be a little easier putting it on. So. Alright, you gotta kind of, maybe just kind of stretch this a little bit so it doesn't fucking apply itself. And I think it just goes right over there, over that fucking. I think it's on here. I don't think it's gonna fly off unless you hit something.
Step on it to make sure.
Alright, I don't know. I said I was gonna start at the front and work my way back, but the lift will not allow me to work on the side skirts. But while I do have it on the lift, I'm gonna go ahead and do the back pieces, and then I'll have to put it down, jack it up, and do the sides. So I've just kind of test fitted this piece a couple minutes ago, and there's absolutely no way this is gonna fit. So if this is lined up in the middle here, these are just, they're not gonna work. I tried kind of smashing it, but it doesn't want to bend. So I think as far as this goes, it's gonna have to stay off the car. And this is the one piece that I said looked like crap. So it is what it is. These actually fit pretty well too, and they look a lot better than the other ones, so not sure what the heck is up with that. So again, I'm just going to drill through these and then put the double-sided tape on here, which is going to adhere to this piece here, and then put the screws in. So like I said, I'm going to put the car down and jack it up separately each side, put the side skirts on. This piece that covers this is not going to fit. I'm not even going to try it because, I mean, I probably can bend it like this, but then here it's only held on by double-sided tape and it's not going to hold it. So I'm not even going to try it.
Sorry, I left my car to look, alright?
That was delayed.
What?
That was delayed.
Okay, go ahead and sue.
There it is. The kit actually fit pretty well, other than that rear piece. That one just is absolutely not gonna fit. But I think it looks good as is, even without that piece back there. I'd rather just not even try with that one. But I guess the brand that makes this is called Carbon SS. He got it sent straight out of China, so, or I'm not sure if it was China, that's what he said. But yeah, I would, if all of them fit like this, it's actually pretty freaking, it went on pretty smoothly is what I'm saying. So, Carbon SS, he said it's like the cheapest kit he could possibly find for this thing. And I'm not sure how much he paid for it, but being the cheapest kit, I think it fit very well. So, alright guys, see you in the next video.